We'll guide you through how to merge paths in Inkscape. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Inkscape on your desktop. Once you have your document ready, select the paths you want to merge. You can do this by holding down the Shift key and clicking on each path with the Select tool. After selecting the paths, go to the top menu and click on Path. From the drop-down menu, choose Union. This will merge all the selected paths into a single path, effectively combining them. You can see the result immediately on your canvas. If the paths don't merge as expected, make sure they are indeed paths and not grouped objects or shapes. To convert a shape to a path, go to Path in the menu and click on Object to Path before attempting the merge. Sometimes you might need to break paths apart before merging them. You can do this by selecting the path and going to Path, then choosing Break Apart. This separates all subpaths, allowing for more control over your merge. Once broken, you can select specific parts to merge. Another tip is to use the node tool to refine your merged path. After merging, switch to the node tool to adjust the nodes and handles for precise positioning and shapes. This is especially useful for creating complex graphics. Remember, merging paths is non-destructive, so you can always undo your actions with Ctrl+C. If needed, don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.